Oh my God, how do I stop it? How do I stop it? That.
1 hour later.
No, it's still recording.
We went from Byron Bay to Nimbin.
Yeah.
Worst
idea ever.
Yeah.
Although I look good in that boot.
You do look always something is good. You took some very bad photos of the scenery.
This is so jokes.
Amsterdam and Australia, everyone's got drinks, braids. Clothing shop is called Daisy.
Daisy.
Like D-A-Z-Y.
Oh, I didn't get it.
We pulled up and it looked like a fucking haunted house.
It wasn't even a house, it was tents.
No, I mean this bit.
It's feral.
These pictures look so good compared to what it was like.
To be fair, it did look like that.
It did look like that.
Like, the scenery was nice.
The scenery was nice, but the actual place was not.
I don't like the people, they were fucking creeps.
Oh crap, yeah, and we should put all of the reviews and stuff. I forgot about the reviews that was on there.
Yeah.
Put the reviews
But
on.
I was judging the people, to be honest with you.
But then we got to our room, which wasn't, well, we'll let you be the judge of what it was like.
It was a fake room.
Says, what the fuck? Mental. Now that looks nice. The actual thing we stayed in looks really nice. It did look smoky. Good selfie. I looked so angry.
Morning selfie.
That was the morning after, and I was very angry because not angry. I was just a bit shook up, wasn't I? I was just shook up because I fell down the stairs. Did you forget about that?
Yeah.
So we got there and we was literally in the middle of nowhere, and we had like not super noodles. I forgot what the noodles are called.
I don't know. They were just from Aldi. They were like chicken flavoured noodles.
Chicken flavoured.
Chicken flavoured noodles.
The noodles, they were actually nice to me.
Yeah, I liked them. I missed them.
But we was in this campsite, had noodles, and then I went back to our tent. I'd say tent, and I fell down the stairs.
In front of lots of people.
In front of like 4 people, and then I literally just got up and I was like, I'm good, but it probably shook me up.
They were fucking weirdos as well. They didn't even laugh at him. They just stared. Like, if you'd have fallen over in front of me, I would have laughed.
No, they was literally just like, I don't know, after they was like, are you alright? It's like, yes. I was like, yes.
Oh my God.
So that's why I look like that in that photo. And hold up. And no, I did not sleep. I did sleep because I was literally knackered, wasn't I? So then I went asleep. I went asleep the night before. So this was the point I wanted to be at. Went asleep.
Oh yeah.
I look very, very asleep there. But I was up the whole night because I woke up and there was a possum on top of my head.
No, that's a lie.
No, yeah, not on top of my head.
It was on the outside of the netting. Didn't
I'm
hear me
joking.
screaming in the night, oh, shall we go sleep in the car? Pussy.
Mate, literally it shook me up. 4 o'clock in the morning, I could hear loads of like scratching, and I turned the torch on and I could literally see this possum on top of my face, on top of the tent, obviously. And there was holes in that tent.
Yeah, but it was just like this mesh, so it was gross.
This is what I imagine it looking like.
Ooh, that's so gross.
Look at the claws on it. Look, and I could literally see the claws coming through the mesh. That is what I see. And I was just like,
It's kind of cute.
oh, no way, if you woke up.
If I woke up and that was above my head, I would be scared, but they're just generally quite cute.
I went from Nimbin to Coffs Harbour. I got an Oliver coffee.
Oliver's
coffee.
Feeling good, as hell.
What is the time?
I don't know, my phone's on charge.
Sofa.
Most of the time at home.
Bed. Table.
Sarah.
First battery change. Damn, son! All up in your face with a camera.
Excuse me.
Explain a packed lunch.
We got a packed lunch.
I'm just going to try and say where we've been.
Ham sandwiches.
That's where we are going. Ready? Barbecue. Damn it!
All the salt and vinegar ones are at the top.
That's not a cool game to play. Oh, dear. Dear.
Can I open my window a bit?
Yeah.
I need the key.
Because a lie, because the truth. Where do we start? Gympie, really?
Yeah.
On the road trip. We stopped in Surfers Paradise, Byron Bay, Nimbin, and now we're at Rosie's.
I don't know where we are now.
Rosie's. Now we are 4 hours away from Sydney, stopped off on the highway, eating our packed lunch. Because we gotta live like we broke now.
What a life.
And it's raining. I reckon we got another at least 2 hour stretch, then have another little break.
Yeah. God, I'm a groover. How do I stop it?
You still couldn't figure out how to use that camera the whole time.
It's because the other one's so easy, that lovely B-roll.
No, that is terrible B-roll. Look at it.
Proceed to the route.
Oh, that's the end.
Yeah, it's the short. It's short. That's what I'm saying. We're keeping it nice and short, nice and sweet.
Quite short.
Pretty short. Then
So
it'll have
what's-
like an outro, obviously.
What's the outro? B-roll.
This. What's the outro? B-roll. We'll see you in the
I've
next
been
one.
bitten again. We watch Love Island.
We're in
Hollywood 6.